Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. Every single day, almost every single moment, I feel been given a life for. I have no idea for how long, but the rock and roll, living the dream, super excited to spread that joy. Okay, I do have my life is essentially divided maybe 3 or 4 sections. Number one, work. That's about 50, 55 hours a week. Number two, you got to exercise. Even though I'm almost 75, I feel like I got to exercise because I feel I'm getting younger and younger and younger. The third is I got my garden. I started maybe last week, 2 weeks. I had someone came over and helped me, Tara. She did a super job. I got 45 raised beds. Do you know what that means? 45 raised beds. It means right now I'm walking my bare feet. I'm checking out what beds need banana peels. That needs banana peels. That means banana peels. All those we're done. That's 1, 2, 3. At 10, I got maybe about 20, 30 more. I don't think, that's my secret, I don't think about me. I think about what has to be done. I don't think about me, I think about what has to be done. It means I'm literally busy from morning to night, literally. I get up at 7, exercise, go shopping, go to work. Then I have 3 or 4 meetings a week I go to my family. I don't think. When you start thinking, okay, let me comb my hair, make sure I'm a little ready. Does that look better? Well, I don't think. Which means I think of what's next. And I think, how can I be of service to others? Which means my last meal yesterday, for the most part, is 6 o'clock. My first meal is at 10. 16 hours of intermittent fasting. And I'm exercising. And I'm just full of energy. My last meal is fruit. My last meal is fruit. First meal 9:30, 10, and that'll be fruit. It means my body is not clogged up with all these different things that I have to deal with. That's one of my secrets for staying young, staying fit. I generally shoot for exercise twice a day, in the morning, nighttime. Not always, but at least 2, 3 times a week. 2, 3, 4 times a week in the morning. That's 6, 7 times a week. Plus I'm working. I'm lifting, I don't know, 1,200 pounds a week. More than that. 600 pounds of bananas I can pick up, carry in my car, take out, put in my store, take out, put on the shelves. 2, 3 times a week. 600 pounds. That's a lot. That's my exercise. Plus boxing, plus sit-ups, plus jumping, plus pull-ups, plus sit-ups. This is what you do when you want to stay young. This is what you do when you stay young. This is what you do when you rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. Number one, mostly fruit. Fruit has calories, has fuel, has nutrients. Vegetables, no calories, no fuel. That's the way it is. So most of my diet's focused on fruit. Number two, exercise. You gotta exercise. The most important part, number one, is love. Love of yourself, that you want to be the best you can every single moment. Which means if that's going to happen, you got to be focused on service others. You focus on yourself, what you're doing wrong, what you did this relationship, boom, 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 boom. It's going to drain you. It's going to drain you till it squashes you. If you're in a bad relationship, see if you can make it better. Work on the communication. If you're in a bad job, same thing. Otherwise, you got to move on. If you're in a circle of friends that don't support you, change it. That's what happens. Me, myself, and I really don't depend on anybody for my happiness. It's one of my secrets. Don't depend on anybody for your happiness. Focus on yourself. Be the best you can every single day. What you eat, what you think, who you hang out with. Me, myself, and I, my major buddies. Super excited. I gotta exercise. Gotta go work. I don't think I'll do any gardening. I may go a little shopping. Bye.